Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today we are back looking at this old tablet. Now, this is the ThinkPad X41T. I've done a whole separate video on it, and we're not actually here to talk about the tablet today, but if you are looking for more info, I think you can click over here and see that original video. These machines over time suffer from a couple of parts wearing out. I wouldn't even necessarily call them deficiencies, but one of them is the pivot point where everything goes up into that screen. This has been reused since then, but there was a time where this was kind of done away with because it is very difficult if this part seizes to get the display up without it creaking and cracking. And you can even see that there is a significant play in that component, so things don't always wear as nicely as they should. But like I said, the focus is not this device today. It is actually a present that I got in the mail a little while ago from Polymat, and he sent me this. And what we have here is the X41 tablet sleeve. He originally picked this up, I think, at a Goodwill, and he thought it was something else. He asked, hey, do you still have an X41T? And I'm like, I absolutely do. And he was kind enough to send this to me. So thanks again to Polymat for that. And if you're not familiar with all of his restoration and technology preservation work, you really do need to check out his channel. I interviewed him a little while ago as well. Absolutely outstanding fella. Anyway, let's go ahead and unpack this tablet sleeve and install it on this X41. I'm very curious to know what benefits it might provide. So we have some tape here on the back that we're going to have to remove. And there are some silica packets in here that have turned all sorts of colors. So this has been in the bag for quite some time. Okay. It's a good thing this comes with instructions. All right, let's begin by opening up the top flap. Oh my word, that is a booklet. We'll get the silica packets out and we'll dispose of those. Step one is open the machine. And then step 2 and 3 and 4 are all fold it down and then just shove it inside? Really? Okay, and it's telling me the docking station will not work. The extra battery will. That's good. So it's a wrist grip. It's not even like a hand grip. That's very interesting. This bag was inspected by inspector number 155. If you know where this man is, leave a comment in the comment section down below. You did a fantastic job. And then the whole thing is going in here. Wow, this is a snug fit. Okay. So that is in its case. And over here, we've got all the ports available on this side. There's a cutout for the stylus, which it says you should be able to use through that plastic window. And then over here, we've got the access to the card bus slot. And then the rest of the ports are over here. Now it looks like, and then you kind of put your wrist through there and you could hold that pretty secure. And there's also a place to install a strap, which is not mentioned in this manual and it didn't come in the box or the bag. Well, let's power it up. So it's going to be difficult to see probably through that plastic window. And the display is not super bright, but you can still see all the light indicators here at the bottom. So yeah, obviously this was crafted with care and attention to detail. I'm also going to be curious to know, will this work Or will the stylus work through the plastic window? I am curious about that. All right, so it looks like it has rotated. Let's see if I can get the brightness up here. And the answer is yes. It's not going to look very bright on the camera, but this is quite visible. And the stylus does work through the window. And it is very responsive, despite it having to work through that plastic. So color me impressed. This thing actually works very, very well with the pen. All the menu buttons are accessible. So yeah, I think that this is going to live in here for a little while in the collection. So thanks again for Polymat for sending that over. Hopefully you enjoyed taking a look at this kind of weird, probably forgotten accessory. And yeah, if you got any questions, or more importantly, if you have ever used a tablet computer, a ThinkPad or otherwise, with a case or configuration like this, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.